Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? I hope all of you fine. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Daliya Sultana, an assistant teacher, National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take a physical education and health class for class 6 students. Dear students, our topic chapter 1, lesson 4, lecture 4. Today there is no homework. So let's start our class. Lesson 4, combined drill. Combined drill. When all the students practice a set of physical activities in a group, it is called combined drill or exercise. Combined drill can be done class or group wise. Combined drill can be done class or group wise. The physical training done after the daily assembly falls under this category of exercise. The students will stand in files according to their number. If the number is 30, that means if the students is 30, they will stand in 6 files. Each file will consist of 5 students. If the number of students is less than 30, the files will be arranged accordingly. Small number of students can make a line. Small number of students can make a line. The position of combined drill is shown below in the picture. Here are combined drill picture. The method of performing combined drill. At the beginning, the students will stand in files. With the signal from the physical teacher or file leader, they will start the exercise. How will you do the start and finish of 8 exercises are shown. Number 1, with the starting command, ready for PT number 1. The students will stand in attention position. PT number 1 stand in attention position. When the physical teacher will say begin the PT number 1, PT short from physical training. 1, the students will start counting from 1 to 16. Along with every counting, they will perform the exercise with their hands and feet. When they reach the counting of 16, they will stop and go back to former position of stand at easy. With the command ready for PT number 2, ready for PT number 2, the students will stand at attention position. Again we students will stand at attention position. Teacher will say start the PT number 2, start the PT number 2, and the students will start counting the numbers from 1 to 16. Another, they count the numbers from 1 to 16 and perform the PT together. Number 3, in this following order, they will continue the PT. For example, A, putting the hands on the hip. The students will start jumping upward with the knees raised, reaching the number 16, they will stop. Number B, with the count 1, they will stand with legs apart and clap with the hands. Clap up over the head. With the count 2, hands will come down. When we count 2, hands will come down on 2 sides of the body. In this way, counting up to 16 will be completed and the PT will be done. Number C, standing 2 feet apart, 2 hands will be extended at both sides. With counting the number 1, the hands will be extended at both sides, and with the count 2, the hands will come down at 2 sides, making a uniform sound. Thus, the counting will continue up to the count of 16. Number D, putting 2 hands on the hip, they will jump with legs apart and will come together with another jump. Putting 2 hands on the hip, students will rhythmically raise left and right feet alternately. Number F, students will stand keeping equal weight on both legs and clap hands overhead once and then clap again next under the left knee. In this way, clapping will be done under the right and left knee alternately. G, putting hands on the hip, students will bend heads from left to right direction. While doing the exercise, the counting of numbers will be continued. H, left hand will take an upward position. Left hand will take an upward position with the count 1. Right hand will clap with left hand. After the clap, the left hand will come down with another count. The left hand and the right hand will come back to the original position. In this way, the exercise will continue with each counting. Bratochari dance. Bratochari, what is Bratochari dance? Various types of folk songs of recreation prevail in different parts of Bangladesh. The pioneer of these folk songs in Guru Shodho Dotto, he introduced folk dance with the regional folk song with a view to raising the spirit of nationalism and to inspiring the youth of nationalism. His created folk dance is known as Bratochari Nritya. It helps to develop body and mind as well as provides a lot of entertainment. Bratochari Nritya are as follows. Here are 3: Khathiya Nritya, Jhumur Nritya and Lori Nritya. Kathai Nritya has been discussed here. Kathai Nritya equipments: 2 feet long, 2 colored sticks. Equipments for Kathai Nritya: 2 feet long, 2 colored sticks. Number of students: at least 50 students for Kathai Nritya. Venue: open space or playground. It's a big playground. Musical tal or Kathai Nritya: Dhatingta, Dhatingta. Instruction: each student will stand with a stick in 2 hands in a file. Sufficient space should be kept between 2 files to strike the sticks freely. Kathai Nritya should be done with rhythm of drum or folk song. Firstly, sticks of both hands will strike below the knee, then keeping the sticks at the chest level, and finally strike the sticks keeping above the head. They will go forward and backward following the by signals. While striking the sticks, footsteps also by rhythmic at the same time. Secondly, students will hit the partner's right hand stick with his left hand sticks and will hit the partner's left hand sticks with right hand sticks in the file. Thirdly, students will form a circle while they are performing Kathai Nritya. Then they will sit and hit the sticks above the heads of the left and the right partners. Fourthly, in the file or circle, they will lie on their back. Then they will beat their sticks on the ground, above the ground, and finally strike their partner's sticks. Then they will stand and go back to their previous position by rhythm of drum. Striking the sticks should be rhythmic. As a result, the sound will be rhythmic and the show will be perfect. In this way, Kathai Nritya can be performed in different ways. Here are new words: PT, physical training. Here are also tree is missing. You have to read tree. Physical exercise: count to say numbers in order, position, place where somebody or something is set. Dear students, you have to read at your home lesson 4, combined drill, and practice at your home and read again and again. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.